Guys, check out where we are today. We're on the river. There's a massive spillway. We're actually in the middle of a massive flood. We're trying to catch some fish today. It's been absolutely brutal out here. Water's about, I'd say about 6-7 feet up. It's almost hitting the top of the bridge over there. I'm not gonna lie, these are not ideal conditions for bass fishing or fishing in general. So today we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Not only are we going for bass, because obviously we are, but we're also going for some spillway predators like muskie, walleye. All those spillway predators in the Midwest are living right under there, and we're gonna try to target them. Hopefully we can do something here, because it's been pretty brutal so far. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Stay tuned. Well, all right guys, so for this trip today, I got 2 rods rigged up. One I got a swim jig tied on. The other one I got a big ol' honkin' spinnerbait. We're gonna walk over here to this part over here. We're gonna go ahead and give this spot over here a try. Now we have a lot of area to cover, so we're gonna be covering, not sure if you guys can see that, but that whole area right over there. And we have a whole river over there to fish. And we have a whole swamp ass area over there that we're gonna be giving a try to. But yeah, this spot here is insane. You got water slamming into the rocks. But we're gonna see if we can't nail a bass or 2. There's also some pike in here too. That's gonna be the secondary thing. If we can't get any of the bass to bite, we'll also try to see if we can't get a pike. You guys can see, this place is insane. Water slamming into the rocks. Wow, I'm definitely starting out that spinnerbait. Holy. Yeah, sorry if you guys can't hear me. This is insane. First cast with the spinnerbait. All right, so I think I'm gonna walk down a little bit, kind of fish that corner over there, kind of see what happens. No luck with that spinnerbait yet. Haven't really tried the swim jig yet, but definitely plan on doing that at some point. Look at this, we have some massive flooding over here, because all the snow we get here in the Midwest, a lot of times we get a lot of flooding, especially around the eastern Dakotas, western Minnesota, around that area. We deal with this all the time. It's crazy. I mean, there's got to be a pike or a muskie or a bass or something around here. I mean, you would think. Don't want to kill myself on these rocks. These rocks look pretty sketch. Alright, we're switching up to the swim jig. I'm gonna go pick up my swim jig over there. See what I can't catch with it. See what I can't catch with this swim jig. well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this where we go out and fish the spillway and anything like that, do not forget to subscribe. Put out new videos every week. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, stay on the barb. I will catch you guys again on the next video. Thanks for watching.